In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload in monday.com. Let's start by opening your workspace and heading to the board where you manage your tasks. In this example, we'll use the trial management board. Make sure you're on the main table view so you can see the full list of items. If your workspace is busy, a quick search at the top can help you find the board faster. Once you're in, give the page a second to load so all columns and item details appear correctly. Next, locate the item named Task 1 in the table. Click directly on the item name to open its details. This opens the item view, which is where you'll find everything related to that task, like updates, activity, and files. If your item opens in a right side panel and you want more room, you can expand it to full view for easier navigation. Waiting a moment here helps ensure all tabs inside the item load properly. Now in the item view, click on the highlighted section for this task to focus the details panel. You'll notice several tabs or sections along the top or side of the item view. This highlighted area simply confirms you're looking at the correct task and that the item's detail tabs are active. From here, switch to the Files section. The Files area is dedicated to attachments for this specific task, keeping documents, images, and other assets organized in one place. It's the best spot to centralize working files so your team doesn't need to dig through updates or emails to find the latest version. With the Files section open, click Add File. This opens your system's file picker. Choose the file you want to attach, then confirm. You'll see an upload indicator while the file is being added. Keep the page open until it completes to avoid interruptions. Once it finishes, the file will appear in the list with a name and timestamp, ready for your teammates to preview or download. If your organization follows naming conventions, consider renaming the file before uploading so it's clear and searchable. Large files can take longer, so a stable connection helps. If the upload doesn't start, check your permissions for the board, or try a smaller file to rule out size limits set by your workspace. That's it. You navigated to your board, open Task 1, focus the item details, move to the Files section, and added a file. This simple flow keeps all task-related assets easy to find and up to date for everyone working on the item.